It's Sunday Fun Day with tax law.
Here's a fun fact. Did you know that here in Missouri, if you pay sales tax to a business when making a purchase, they get to keep 2% of that tax just for paying their tax bill on time? It's called a vendor discount, and basically it was put in place some years ago to help compensate small businesses specifically for the inconvenience of having to collect sales tax and send it to your local government. However, that activity has gotten much easier, particularly for really large businesses. I mean, we're talking about the Walmarts of the world that aren't even from Missouri. Well, those businesses get that 2% benefit on everything they sell. So to prevent a massive giveaway to these giant corporations that aren't even headquartered in your local state, every other state that has a benefit like this has put a cap in place. For example, in North Carolina, $110 is the max that this benefit can give to a business per month. Here, there is no cap. So Nicole Galloway, our auditor, recently did a report that showed that because of the fact that we have no cap, we are missing out on $141 million in tax revenue every single year. So two things. First, understand that effectively this operates as an incentive for larger businesses specifically. So the Walmarts and the Bass Pro Shops of the world have a much easier time based on their modern computer systems to collect and send this sales tax. Whereas smaller businesses, it's probably more cost prohibitive to do so. So for them, this benefit probably makes a lot of sense. It's very helpful. That again is why most other states have a cap. Because quite frankly, once your business scales to a certain size, we shouldn't have to subsidize this collection. Additionally, Galloway's report showed that if we would simply put a $1,000 cap in place, which would be, by the way, the largest in the entire country, we could save over $82 million a year in tax revenue. That's $82 million that could go toward education, better teacher pay, fixing the potholes in your roads. So maybe it's time to reach out to your local state legislator and say, subsidizing giant corporations out of the Missouri tax coffers isn't a value that we share.